In this video, I'm going to be talking about what you should do to prepare for a child custody hearing. Clients are always wanting to know what they should be doing after our first meeting, and here are a few things to think about. So about me, my name's Nathan Vining. I'm a family law attorney in Indiana, and I represent people in family law cases throughout the state. By the end of this video, you should know more about what you should be doing to prepare for a custody hearing. The first thing to do is prepare your arguments. This is something you need to do with your attorney, but it involves looking at the Indiana child custody statutes and determining what has changed in your situation that warrants a custody modification. Once you do that, you then look at the best interest statute and see what factors apply to your situation. Some of the factors may be neutral, but some may weigh in your favor, so you're going to want to present evidence for those factors. For instance, maybe you have other children, and the court needs to know that your kids are close, and that your child's close with its step-siblings, and they need more time together. Or maybe you live in the same community as the other parent, so it's easy to get the child to and from activities, as well as school in the morning. The second thing to do is to prepare answers to possible questions. To do this, think about what is at issue in your case, and think about what questions you could be asked about those issues in court. Some common questions that I see are things like, what is your current custody arrangement? What do you want to see different if the court were to change custody? You're going to see questions about your finances, and those are asked to determine support. So you're going to see things like, where do you work? What hours do you work? What is your weekly income? You're also going to be asked about your household. What are the rules in your house? What are the routines with your children? What's their bedtime? What do you get them up? How do you get them to school? You're also going to be asked about what communication is like with the other parent. And maybe there's other themes to your case, such as the child not performing well in school. So you're going to want to think about what you want to say specifically about that, so you let the judge know exactly what you want. The third thing to do to prepare for any custody case is to prepare the exhibits and identify witnesses. In a lot of cases, the main witnesses are the parents, but you also need to identify the other people who can add relevant information to the arguments. So for instance, that could be babysitters, teachers, church people, or maybe even a family member who can provide information or testify about your parenting abilities. You also need to get your documents together, which include things like income statements, report cards, attendance records, medical records, text messages, and even your parenting time calendar. Being prepared is essential in a custody case. So here are a few things you should be doing to prepare for a custody hearing. If you find yourself in this situation and need help preparing, give me a call or send me a text. I'd be happy to help answer any questions you have.